Yemen's Houthis have escalated their attacks on regional shipping, claiming to have targeted 3 vessels in the Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and Arabian Sea. This aggressive action, announced by Houthi military spokesperson Yahya Sari on Friday, is part of a months-long campaign of strikes purportedly in solidarity with Palestinians fighting Israel in the Gaza war. In a televised speech, Sari specified the targets: the Yanis ship in the Red Sea, the Essex in the Mediterranean Sea, and the MSC Alexandra in the Arabian Sea. He accused the Essex of violating a ban preventing entry into occupied Palestinian ports, stating that several missiles were fired at the vessel in the Mediterranean. However, he did not provide specific details on timing of these attacks. Contradicting the Houthi claims, the manager of the Essex Zodiac Maritime, which is controlled by Israeli magnate E.L. Ofer, reported no unusual activity. The Liberia-flagged LPG tanker was safely anchored off the coast of Egypt's Alexandria port on Friday, as confirmed by shipping data. A Zodiac Maritime spokesperson emphasized the vessel is safely at anchor in Egyptian waters and there was no sign of anything unusual. Earlier this month, Houthi leader Abdul Malik al-Houthi warned that all ships heading to Israeli ports would be targeted, expanding the threat beyond the Red Sea region to other strategic waters. Since November, the Houthis have repeatedly launched drone and missile strikes on ships in the Red Sea, Bab al-Mandab Strait, and the Gulf of Aden, disrupting crucial shipping routes and forcing vessels to undertake longer, more expensive journeys around southern Africa. The persistent attacks have heightened fears that the Israel-Hamas conflict could spill over, further destabilizing the Middle East.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.